Good morning, student. Today we do chapter number 6, division, part 6. In this module, student, we do activity 5, word problem. So let's start. First word problem is the product of two numbers is 4560. If one of them is 15, find the other number. Statement we will get from the question only. Product of two number is equals to 4560. One of them means one number is 15. Clear? And find the other number. Other number is equals to 4560 divided by 15. Clear? See, first line I have written as I told you. Product of two number is equals to 4560. One number is 15. Other number is 4560 divided by 15. Now I will do division. Student, you have to learn the table till 15. As I told you before holidays that you have to learn the table. So every day you have to do practice of the tables. So in 15 table, 45 comes at which position? At third position. So I have written here 3 in a question and 45 down of 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So I will take another number down, that is 6. 6 is less than 15. So in 15 table, which number come? 15 zeros are 0. So I have written 0 over here and 0 here also. 6 minus 0 is 6. So I have written 6 and I have copied the 0 from up to down. Now in 15 table, 60 come at 4. 15 4s are 60. So 4 I have written here and 60 down of 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. Then hence the other number will be 304 because hence line is the last line. Clear? Now student, we do second word problem. 5255 balls have to be filled equally in 34 boxes. How many balls will be filled in each box if all the boxes have the same numbers of balls? How many balls will be left out? So see, statement we get from the statement. Number, when the number is given, you write the statement from number. Number of balls in 34 boxes is equals to 5255. Then second line will be same like the first line. Number of balls in one box. It will be equals to 5255 divided by 34. See. Number of balls in 34 boxes is equal to 5255. Number of balls in one box equals to 5255 divided by 34. Now I have written the 34 table in the rough column. You can do multiply also to get the table. Clear? So 34 ones are 34. So I have written 34 down of 52. 52 minus 34 is 18. Clear? And I have copied the 5 from up. 185. Now you see that which number is closer to 185, that is 170. So it comes in which position? In fifth position. So I have written 5 over here and 170 down of 185. When I minus it, I will get 15. So 15 is smaller than 34. So I will take another number from up. So I have copied the 5 down. Now see, 155. Which number is closer to 155? That is 136. So I have written 136 down of 155 and its position is 4th. So I have written 4 over here. 155 minus 136 is equals to 19. So I have get the remainder 19. Now student, they have asked you that how many balls will be filled in each box. So hence line will be number of balls in one box will be equals to 154. Clear? This thing will come here. Clear? And second part is they are asking how many balls will be left out. Then second part hence line will be number of balls left is equals to 19. Mean remainder is a left out balls. Clear? Now student, we do another word problem. Rahul packed 2470 kg wheat equally in 38 bags. How much does each bag weigh? Again we get the statement from the Question. We are talking about weight. So statement will start from weight. Weight of wheat in 38 bags. Weight of wheat in 1 bag. Clear? See. Weight of wheat in 38 bags equals to 2470 kg. Weight of wheat in 1 bag is equals to 2470 divided by 38. Now I have written the 38 table over here in a rough column. With the help of this I will do division. 38 write down and in the bracket you write down 2470. Now in 38 table which number is closer to 247? That is 228. Its position is 6. So I have written 6 over here and 228 you have to write here. Clear? Now minus it. You get 19. Now you take 0 from up and it becomes 190. Now see, in 38 table 190 come on which position? It comes on 5th position. So I have written 5 over here and 190 down of 190. 190 minus 190 is 0. Then you write hence line. Hence the weight of wheat in 1 bag will be 65. Clear? Now student, we do next word problem. A number divided by 25 gives 171 as a quotient and 10 as the remainder. You have to find the number. So we have to write a number divide by. Divide by means it is a divisor. So this number is a divisor. Gives 171 as a quotient. So 171 is a quotient. 10 as a remainder. So remainder is 10. You have to find the number. Which number you have to find? Dividend. Clear? See. Divisor is 25. Quotient is 171. Remainder is 10 and dividend you have to find. For finding the dividend you have to write the formula of dividend. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now you have to put the values of it. Divisor is 25, so I have written here 25. Multiply, quotient is 171, I have written here 171 plus 10. Clear? Now student, I will multiply 25 with 171. When I multiply it, I get 4275 plus 10. And when you plus it, you will get 4285. Then it is a dividend. Hence the dividend is 4285. Clear student? I hope you understand the concept.